Everybody stand up, please. Good morning, class. Please sit down. You're welcome.
Class level Material 5 to 11, class number 17, student number 4.
Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. This is free PMOT, right? This one is free. Yes. Okay. Everybody stand up, please. Stand up, please. Good morning, class. Please sit down. You're welcome.
Last name Pachalat, my name is Ben. Class level secondary 1, class number 2, student number 16. Date November 29, 2022. Teacher audit.
Number 24, student number 47619. And the date today is...
May tungkuan may tungay. Don't be scared, don't be shy. Be confident. Start. Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Okay. Everybody stand up, please. Good morning, class. Please sit down. You're welcome.
My nickname is Gao. I'm studying at Mayong 5 Section 6. My class number is 18. Today is May 21, 2025.
Okay, what you're going to do, you are going to print this file. Print A4 size bond paper. And answer that one. Answer all the questions. And the last one, put your picture or a photo of yourself. That will be for next week. Do you have questions? Okay, everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Turn off the aircon, please. Repeat air noise. Free time.